Hi guys, welcome to the clubhouse. We're here just hanging out. I was doing something fun and I thought I would share it with you. It is super fun to send people thank you cards. We like to make a fun package if you're ever looking for a gift or a little pick-me-up for yourself. I like to include thank you cards and I like to print them myself using my stamps. Leave me a comment below and I'll send you one. I really love these star stamps that I carved. They're super fun and versatile. A little while ago, I looked up old letterpress sets, vintage letterpress sets, and press houses to try and get some great ideas for typography, and discovered all these little elements that letterpress operators would put into the type to space things properly, little decorative elements that they'd add. I took a lot of inspiration from print houses like Hatch Prints in Nashville. Super fun company. They've been around for what, 120 years, well, maybe longer. They're not in their original building anymore, but they still have all the artifacts. It's a really cool place to go. But anyway, I got really interested in the idea of using shapes as elements to begin a print. All right, those stars look pretty good to me. Part of why I think I love playing with this star element so much is that not only are they the reverse of each other, which is really fun, but they're not the same size. They're not quite the same scale. Now we are ready for our dang. Hopefully I got enough ink on there. Nope. Dang. One more time. Dang, 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 dang. So I'm gonna set up some more cards. I really like to print right to the edge of my cards. I think that's fun, especially with these elements. So I think I'm gonna use some of my circle elements now. Same colors, but a little bit different of a shape. First thing I usually do is just kind of play around with the shape and see what I like about it. So I'm just laying down these polka dots in this color palette I discovered that I love. The hot pink and the orangey yellow, so cool together. They make a really interesting neon kind of red when they're mixed. Sometimes, but not all the time. Again, I like to risk it all and dirty up my stamp pads by mixing them together. I think that's really fun. Not everybody wants you to do that. You definitely, if you're not using your own, you should ask. Ask first. Oh my gosh, these are so fun, y'all. Woot, I love them. Oh my goodness. Does that need a dang? I think it needs a dang. Is there room? Put a dang right there. I'm so excited about this pink ink pad. It's a crazy good color. And I have had this ink pad for no kidding, 10 years. What? It's still juicy. So have you guys tried carving with Speedy Carve? It is a really easy material to carve into, and it's pretty affordable for how much use you get out of it. I have been using some of these stamps for years, and they're super fun to play with, and they're really addictive. And the cool thing is the more you have, the more fun they are. But I also like to print on super lightweight rolls of paper. Craft or white butcher paper is super fun to make your own wrapping paper. And I didn't today because I'm trying to be really tidy. But a lot of times I'll start by laying out a piece of butcher paper or white craft weight paper as my backdrop. And then I'll use that to clean my stamps and to test colors as I go. So you can make wrapping paper with barely any effort. Thanks for joining me today. Hope you enjoyed watching me make some thank you cards. If you'd like one yourself, comment below and I'll send you one in the mail. See you later.